Hello guys, today we're gonna show you how to mount our graphics kit. The bike we're gonna use is a Kawasaki Z1000. Cut out one of the decals and clear it from any remaining vinyl. Then use a scissor or a knife and cut near the edge of the decal all around. Do this with all the decals. Take your time as you cut them. Now it's time to start working on the bike. Before you start to apply the decals, you should clean the bike with an alcohol-based cleaner or a brake cleaner. You should place your motorcycle in a place with good light and at least 15 degrees Celsius, which would be 60 degrees Fahrenheit. By looking at the pictures where the decal is mounted, you should be able to figure out where each part should sit. Start by pulling off half from the background paper and cut it off. Start applying the decal. It's not a problem to lift and change its position. It's a good idea to place the decal with masking tape to see how they are supposed to be placed. Pull off half of the background paper and cut it off. Make sure your hands are clean before you start applying. Work with the decal in an arc slowly with your fingers or with a scraper. Work with the decals slow but firmly. We choose to show the mounting of the tank decal as it's the decal that can be experienced as the most difficult to mount.
Kan vi rädda? Jag vet inte, det är lite brunaktig den här gråa.
Ja, lite kanske. Jag tror ändå inte jag till 444.
Det där är inte 444. Är det det?
Nej, det kanske inte blev ändrat.
Nej. Det där är några jävla brunt helvete.
Here is another example on the fork protector. Place the decal with masking tape and gently take off the background paper. As before, should the decal fold, then gently lift it and try again. When the decals are applied, it's a good idea to heat them up with a heat gun to maximize the adhesion. Put the heat on medium.